Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ever wished you could play Clash of Clans on a bigger screen with more precise controls? It's totally possible, and it really changes the game. Imagine managing your village, deploying troops, and seeing all the action without squinting at your phone. This updated guide will walk you through exactly how to set up Clash of Clans on your computer, making your battles bigger and better than ever before. It's surprisingly straightforward. So, how do we get an Android game onto a Windows or Mac computer? The secret lies with something called an Android emulator. Think of it as a virtual phone running right on your desktop. Emulators like BlueStacks or LD Player are designed to mimic an Android environment, letting you download and run mobile apps just like you would on your phone. They are reliable, secure, and truly the best path forward for this. Ready to get set up? It all starts with a quick download. Head over to the official website of your preferred emulator, maybe BlueStacks or LD Player, and grab the installer. The installation process is really straightforward. Just click through the prompts like any other program. After it's installed and you open it for the first time, you'll simply sign in with your Google account. This links your emulator to the Google Play Store, just like a new phone. With your emulator up and running, playing Clash of Clans is only a few clicks away. Simply open the Google Play Store right inside the emulator, search for Clash of Clans, and hit install. It's the exact same game you know and love, just on a bigger screen. After it downloads, launch the game. Remember to link your existing Supercell ID to bring over your village and progress. It ensures everything is synchronized and ready for battle. To get the most out of your PC Clash of Clans experience, take a moment to tweak some settings. Many emulators let you adjust performance options, like allocating more RAM for super smooth gameplay. Also, check out key mapping. This lets you assign keyboard keys to in-game actions, making troop deployment and spell casting much faster. Emulators are always evolving, so regularly updating yours will keep your Clash of Clans battles running perfectly. Enjoy your bigger, better village.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.